Hi, I'm John Boatman, and I'm part of the Microsoft Dynamics 365 team here at Sikich. I have a quick update regarding Dynamics 365 and the upcoming changes to license management. Starting April 30th, 2025, Microsoft will begin the transition to simplified license management for Dynamics 365. This initiative aims to streamline the process for assigning and managing licenses for applications like finance, supply chain management, commerce, project operations, and human resources. Beginning April 30th, users will start to receive in-product notifications instructing them to contact their administrators. Beginning August 30th, users without assigned licenses will no longer be able to access these applications. Instead, they will receive prompts within the application to request the necessary licenses from their administrators. Administrators begin assigning licenses through Microsoft's 365 Admin Center to ensure a smooth transition. Now, Rob Dowsett will show where to view available licenses and assigning licenses to users or groups. You'll also see a tool for viewing licenses by role and by license demand across the systems.
Dynamics Finance and Supply Chain Management licenses are assigned to users through the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. To assign licenses, a user with appropriate permissions needs to navigate to admin.microsoft.com, and from here you can view licenses your organization owns or what licenses users or groups have been assigned. To view what licenses your organization owns, navigate to Billing and click on Licenses. This list will show you all the licenses that your organization owns, as well as the number of licenses currently assigned and available to be assigned. By clicking on a license, you can view the users that have been assigned that license, as well as any groups that have been assigned that license. To assign a license to a user, you can do it directly from the license itself by clicking Assign License and searching for the user you want to assign a license to. Alternatively, you can assign a license to a group of users. So view what licenses an individual user has by navigating to Users, Active Users, filtering on a user, selecting Manage Product Licenses from the user menu. Under the License and Apps menu, you'll see all the licenses that your organization owns again, and which licenses specifically have been assigned to that user. From here, you can add or remove licenses, save your changes, and assign licenses as necessary. Version 10.0.43 adds a number of new security and compliance features to Microsoft Dynamics. One of those new features, License Usage Summary, will help us understand our licensing needs for our users in the system. To use these new features, we first need to enable the feature under Feature Management. I've already enabled this feature, so I'm just showing you what this looks like. Note the feature is still in preview. Once you have enabled the new feature, you need to refresh your session, and then under the System Administration menu, you'll see a number of new items. Under Security and Governance, we are looking at a License Usage Summary. Note the first time you open this form, you will need to rebuild its data set. The first tab we see shows us our User License Summary by user. We can see the different entry points each user has access to by their role assignments, and the role or license that role assignment combination necessitates. We can view this by role as well, so we can see what license type each role requires. And most usefully in this scenario, we can see our summary of license demand across the system. So for example, in my case, we can see that I need 10 finance licenses, 22 supply chain management licenses, 5 project licenses, and so on. This is looking at all the users within the system and the roles that they have assigned to them. This should correlate to the number of licenses that we have purchased and assigned to our users that we viewed earlier through the Microsoft 365 admin portal.
Thanks, Rob. We understand that changes like these can be challenging, but we're here to support you through the transition. Sikich is in the top 1% of Microsoft partners, and we work with clients every day on license audits helping them create custom roles, role assignments, and user governance strategies. If you have any questions or need assistance with license management, please don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks for watching and I hope you have a great day.